Hiya, today we're going to do a pan-fried halloumi starter with some rocket, some kiwi, some beetroot salad, a little bit of applesauce to dip your cheese in when it's done, and some olive oil to just lightly fry it in. Okay, so we'll prepare this and then we'll get back to you. When you're peeling your kiwi, just do it with a potato peeler, it's a lot easier. A sharp one, a good sharp one, okay? Right, we've laid out a salad ready, so we've sliced a beetroot, put on a rocket and a kiwi and a little bit of the applesauce in the tub. What we're going to do now is start cutting up the halloumi, so I'll cut that and then I'll come back to you, okay? Right, what we've done now is cut up a halloumi into about probably half centimetre pieces, yeah, something like that. What we're going to do is just put a tiny bit of olive oil in here, and then what you're going to do is just brush your halloumi on both sides, and then you're going to bob it in the frying pan just for about 2 or 3 minutes till it goes brown. So what we'll do, we'll get it on a decent, I'll put the heat on and I'll get back to you, show you where it is. Right, we've got this to like a medium heat, and we're just going to pop these in. And they're going to be on for about 2 or 3 minutes. You turn them over after about 1.5 minutes or something. You want them to get them like golden brown, but I'll show you as we go. So we're just going to cook these for 1 minute or 2 and then I'll come back to you. Okay? Yeah, so if you flip them over after about 2 minutes and then flip them over again. So I'll tell you exactly how long it takes to cook and then you'll see the golden brown that you want. Okay? So we'll get back to you. Yeah, just turn it down a little bit if it splashes. And we're going to flip them over, and after a bit you'll see them going golden. Can you see? That's going like a golden. Let me just do the other one. So we'll get back to you in a second, okay? Right, so when you get them like that, goldeny, that's when they're done. You want to eat these hot because they're really good hot. So scoop them out like this. Bob them on your plate. And then that is pretty much it. And then just let them get stuck in. Okay.